Hi, my name is Anand and I'm going to talk about the star stack. You've probably heard of the WAMP stack, which stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. The star stack stands for SQLite, Tomcat, Apache and Railo. The Apache APR is pulled from XAMPP Lite. So you see all the XAMPP restart, XAMPP start and XAMPP stop.exes which control the Apache APR here. I've done this to provide a quick CFML development environment with a SQLite database, driver functionality already embedded in it. Uh, Apache runs on port 80, Apache Tomcat will run on 8080, and Apache already has the mod JK module for routing requests to Tomcat. So let me demonstrate how this works. You start your Apache, started. Okay. So Apache is serving regular HTML files. It's a simple HTML file that just statically says Apache started successfully. We haven't started the Tomcat server yet, so this will give us an error. Server is temporarily down. Let's start Tomcat server. Made a little batch file for you so that it'll go into the bin and start Tomcat. There are Railo is started as well. Now let's try to access this. Okay. Index.cfm is a simple x equal to 100 and then output x, the value of x. So that's what it's doing. Now the way to access the administrator for this particular application, the test CFM application, is you go to test CFM, Railo context, admin and web.cfm. Now each application that you have under htdocs is going to have a web-inf, which means it will have a Railo administrator for it. So if you start a new application and wait a little while, you'll see a web-inf appear on it. There it is, web-inf, and you can access that administrator this way. Each time you're going to have a new username and password. So Railo123. There it is. Back to our test CFM app. I have added a data source called SQLite test with other JDBC driver, which you can find here. And the way to configure this is use the class name org.sqlite.jdbc, and then the connection string is JDBC SQLite, and then the exact path of where you want the SQLite database to be created. You can also just put SQLite. So there. I also have two files, the CFC and CFM, to demonstrate how you can access the CFM and the CFC. The CFC just has a few functions: create DB tables, insert DB tables, inserts into the database, select DB tables, selects from the table test. Our the test CFM file is a simple my test string hello from Railo, and then it runs create DB tables, it inserts to the table, and then it shows you the selection. So let's run that. There it is. It runs an insert, and then it displays a dump of the select function. You can also access this CFC in the same manner that you are used to on regular Code Fusion, and then you can take a look at the WDDX packet that our CFC returned. It is a standard WDDX package that you will find on regular Code Fusion. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the video on StarStack. I hope you find some use for it. I'll post the download links on my blog shortly.